Hello boys and girls, it's Miss Maggie, and I have another really cool activity for you today. But first, I have a question. Have you ever looked into the night sky and saw a moon, and it be a different shape from the night before? Why do you think that is? Why does our moon change shapes? Well, the moon appears to change shapes because we see different amounts of the lit part of the moon as it orbits Earth. That means it goes around the Earth. When the moon is between the Earth and the Sun, the lit side is hidden from us, and as it keeps moving around the Earth, more and more on that lit side we can see. And that makes it appear to change shapes. Now we're going to learn about the phases of the moon with Oreo cookies. How do you guys eat your Oreo cookies? Do you eat it whole? Do you twist it apart, then lick it? Or you like me, you twist it apart, eat the side with the cream, then the other part of the cookie. Also going to need a large paper plate, some colored pencils or crayons or markers, whatever you can color with, something to trace a circle. I'm using a glass. If you do, please be careful. And a pen. Let's get started. I'm going to start by tracing the Earth onto our paper plate. And this doesn't need to be perfect. All about it. Now you can color your Earth. The traditional colors are blue and green, but you can make it any color you want.
Huh? Okay, I guess you can. What about Danny? Why, I don't really do that. You think you're in the ballpark. 2000. Danny passed away years ago.
There's my Earth. Now we're going to need 4 Oreo cookies. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Who's ready? I know I am. Now we'll take our pin, and the first moon we're gonna do is right up here is called a new moon. So I'm going to write
Be here at 7:30.
new moon at the very top.
Be here at 2:30. Thursday, I'll be here at 11.
New moon. The next moon is the first quarter moon.
I didn't wake you up. You were sleeping. I love you. Maggie's right there at the table. Alright, love you. Good night.
First quarter moon. And we'll see what these look like with our Oreo cookies in a minute. Next we have the full moon. Full moon right down here. Then we have the last quarter moon. So we have a new moon, first quarter moon, full moon, last quarter moon. And it just keeps going and going and going. Now here's the fun part. The Oreos! For our new moon, we're gonna twist them. And the side without the cream is going to be our new moon. Next, we're going to take the side with the cream for our first quarter moon, but we're going to take half the cream off. So instead of a full circle, it's going to be a half a circle. First quarter moon. We need another Oreo cookie. Twist. And the side with all the cream is our full moon. Another Oreo cookie. We're going to twist and pull this apart too. We're going to take the side of the cream and we're going to take half the cream off for our last quarter moon. Alright, now that we have our Earth and our moons rotating the Earth, let's talk about what each phase of the moon is. First is our new moon, which was our blank side of the Oreo cookie. A new moon is when the moon cannot be seen, because we are looking at it when no light is showing off the moon, so we can't see it. Our next phase of the moon is the first quarter moon, or half moon. So it's a half of a circle. The first quarter moon is when half of the portion of the moon is seen from light reflecting off of it. Next we have a full moon. That is when we can see the whole moon. That means the moon is lit up and we can see it because of the light reflecting from the sun to Earth. The next phase is another half moon, the last quarter moon. Another half circle. And if you notice how it's on the other side of the cookie, that means we can see the other side of the moon we didn't see with the first quarter moon. And after the last quarter moon, again, we have a new moon. And a new moon is when we cannot see the moon. And that cycle keeps going and going around the Earth. So, I hope you all really enjoyed this. I know I did. It was really hard not to eat the cookies that were our moon. But, I guess now that we're done with the moon, we can enjoy our Oreo cookies